Cyclone Fengil is approaching towards the coast of Tamil Nadu, and that is what we are witnessing. And we are right now standing at the Rock Beach in Pondicherry, which is where the IMD has predicted that this Cyclone Fengil will be making a landfall later in the day today. In fact, this Cyclone Fengil will be making a landfall between Mahabalipuram to Karaikal, somewhere near Puducherry is what the IMD has predicted. Initially, it was said that it would be making a landfall in the afternoon today, but now since the movement of the cyclone towards the coast has slowed down, it's only 6 km per hour, and that is why right now, as of now, the IMD has said that it will take late in the evening for the landfall to happen. And because of this movement towards the northwest direction of the northern coast of Tamil Nadu, heavy winds are blowing throughout the northern part of Tamil Nadu, and along with heavy rains, we are witnessing heavy rains and heavy winds in Chennai, Tiruvallur, Kanchipuram, Chengalpet, Villupuram, Kallakurichi districts, as well as Puducherry and Karaikal. The governments of Tamil Nadu as well as Puducherry has instructed people to not come out of their houses. In fact, not to venture into the beaches and parks, etc. We can see police officials, government officials, corporation officials everywhere trying to ensure the safety of the public. Apart from that, we're also witnessing, all the rescue operations that is in place. We are seeing NDRF teams, SDRF teams that are put in place to ensure that evacuation is all immediately happening. Like we are seeing the police officials who are constantly monitoring and they are surveilling the beaches, the coastlines, to ensure that public don't come out in a form of excitement, and that is what we are witnessing right now. Apart from these heavy natural speed of winds, which is almost 70 to 90 km per hour according to the IMD.